Today, we're going to be talking about the best handsaw for woodworking. Now, there are a lot of different handsaws out there, so it can be tough to know which one to choose. In this video, we're going to review a few of the best handsaws on the market for different woodworking applications. We'll also give you some tips on how to choose the right saw for your needs and how to use it safely and effectively. So stick around and let's find the best handsaw for your woodworking projects. Number 1. RUITOOL 6-inch double-edge hand saw. The blade is made of SK5 high-carbon steel, which is known for its strength and durability. It's also flexible enough to make precise cuts, even in tight spaces. The saw has two edges, one with 17 threads per inch for cutting hardwood, and the other with 14 threads per inch for cutting softwood. This makes it a versatile saw that can be used for a variety of tasks. The teeth of the saw are hardened and ground on three sides, which makes them extremely sharp and durable. Number 2. KERYE KY05 Double-Edge Mini Handsaw. The SK5 high-carbon steel blade is designed to be flexible yet strong, providing a smooth and accurate cut every time. One side of the saw is 11 threads per inch for rip cut or cutting hardwood such as oak and maple. The other side is 17 TPI for crosscut or cutting softwoods such as pine and spruce. The three-sided grinding teeth allow for smoother cutting and flat cuts. The 0.02-inch blade thickness feature is especially useful for precision work. Number 3. REXBETI PD12191 Folding Hand Saw. The REXBETI PD12191 boasts a SK5 steel blade that's designed for efficiency. The 11-inch long blade on this saw means business. It's perfect for tackling those thicker branches, making quick work of 6 to 7-inch diameter branches, so you can power through your tasks faster. The saw features 7 teeth per inch, creating an aggressive tooth pattern. It's all about comfort and control when you're using this saw. Number 4. FLORA Guard HS1027 Folding Hand Saw. Let's talk about the heart of this tool, the 7-inch high-carbon steel blade. This blade is razor sharp and can effortlessly cut through branches up to 4 inches in diameter. It's a game changer for gardeners dealing with thick branches. The 7.7-inch stainless steel blade is fully hardened, which means it's not only sharp but also incredibly durable. The razor tooth design, sharpened on three sides and impulse hardened, extends its lifespan significantly. Number 5. HAUTMEC HT0024 Universal Hand Saw. The HAUTMEC HT0024 is your all-in-one solution for cutting tasks around the house. What sets this saw apart is its 11 teeth per inch, allowing for aggressive and quick cuts both on the push and pull strokes. Its thicker blade minimizes power-consuming side vibrations and results in straighter cuts. It's perfect for professionals, amateurs, hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone looking for top-notch performance. Number 6. QYQRQF 14-inch Pro Hand Saw. The QYQRQF Hand Saw is 14 inches or 350 millimeters in length, making it a versatile tool for a wide range of cutting tasks. It's constructed from 65 manganese steel, heat-treated for durability, ensuring it can stand up to tough cutting jobs. This pro hand saw is designed for precise cutting across various materials, including wood, plastic pipe, plywood, and wallboard. It's an ideal choice for farmers, general contractors, and woodworkers. Well, that's all for today's video on the best hand saw for woodworking. We hope this video helps you learn more about the different types of saws available and how to choose the right one for your needs. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the ToolsQuery channel for more woodworking tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.